All right, we're here on day 2 of Manufacturing Technology Series Southeast in Greenville. Shean Heitz from Gorilla Mill, National Sales Manager.
Yes, sir.
And Dan Sage from SEW Eurodrive.
Correct.
The booths are right across from each other, kind of at a party atmosphere here. But how's it been going?
I feel like the show's been great. A lot of traffic, a lot of positivity, a lot of excitement in the room, and we've had a really good show.
Yeah. And Dan, you were a part of a roundtable today. Tell us about that.
Exactly. It was a great opportunity to kind of engage with both students, manufacturers, and institutions. So, right, what are the gaps? How do we fill them? And what are we going to do moving forward? So, to have that opportunity and do any communication with any of those people is always a good opportunity. So,
now you just started a local SME chapter fairly recently, and tell us. Well, first of all, tell us a little bit about SEW.
Yeah, so SEW, we're a manufacturer of motors, gear motors, and electronics that go into industry. So primarily moving product in and out of a production line, transportation. There's a variety of different things where it go, but we're motion providers, right? So that's what we do. We're based here in the U.S. and South Carolina. We're a global company based in Germany, actually, and we've got 5 assembly facilities throughout the U.S. So,
and why'd you end up joining SME?
Well, we created SME about 3 years ago for the need to interact more with manufacturers around here, network. The chapter had been around and dissolved about 15 years ago, and there's a handful of us that knew about it. Decided, let's see if we can rekindle that, and over the last 3 years, we've continued to grow. We're sponsoring some student activity. I think you've got some footage a little bit about racing that they can see later, and it's just a good thing to do, right? So,
Shean, I haven't introduced this gentleman yet. Can you tell us?
This is Sassy.
Sassy?
Good buddy of ours. He just hangs out. Takes a lot of pictures.
Gorilla Mill.
Gorilla Mill.
Wasn't always the name, but been around for 50 years or so.
50 years. 51 years.
So tell us about the company.
So 51 years ago, we were a grind shop locally in Waukesha, Wisconsin. And probably 25 years ago, we decided to go national. And we, the way we came up with the name is rather humorous, but we settled on Gorilla Mill. And here we are 25 years later, total domination.
All right. So what have you been hearing at the show? What are some of the things that customers needs, challenges that they're facing?
Challenges for customers that we help in tremendously is process improvement. You know, we're a high production cutting tool company, and we like to get into the shops, improve processes, cut down cycle time, ultimately saving them money. So we show cost savings through performance, and every one of these distributors at the show, we try to support, build relationships, and provide that.
Mm-hmm. Have you seen much of a change as the next generation of workforce starts to enter, and you have the millennials, Gen Y?
I feel like the industry's lacking younger people currently, and so when the young kids come to the booth, we actually really enjoy talking to them, and I communicate to them that you need to get in this industry because you can go a long way.
I know that was a big part of the roundtable today. Workforce challenges.
Yeah, it's a real thing. It's been a real thing for quite a few years. So in a lot of cases, Mr. High Energy over here, we call him, right? So he's our neighbor over here, but he's nailing it right now. I mean, you got to have process improvements. You got to do things. We're not getting new people. We're not getting qualified people coming in the industry. So much like these guys, we're really focusing on our products, improving processes, right? Reducing downtime, all the same things, different products, but have the same challenges and stuff. So it's exciting to kind of be here and hearing the same thing and knowing that you're going in the right direction to try to get these things resolved. So,
all right. Well, gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That's awkward. Thank you.